Today, we are going to walk you through the steps to remove the trim pieces on your Garmin GPSMAP. A trim piece is a decorative piece of plastic that serves to cover the mounting hardware on a Garmin device. To remove the trim pieces, it is recommended that you use a plastic pry tool. These are not included, but can often be found at your local hardware or automotive store. Do not use a metal pry tool, as this can damage the device. Starting from a corner, insert the plastic pry tool into the groove between the top trim piece and the housing. Put pressure on the back side of the trim piece using the plastic pry tool. Once the corner starts to loosen, hold that corner and slowly move the pry tool towards the middle of the GPSMAP. As you move towards the middle, continue applying pressure on the back side of the trim piece until that trim piece pops off. Repeat this process for the lower trim piece. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.